Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can craft an anti-bee egg in your egg garden. So go to the crafting tables here, select recipe, and as you can see, there's one here. You can craft an anti-bee egg to craft a pack bee, but here I think I want the butterfly. It's going to be hard to get, but I don't know. Let's try to craft one. So I'm just going to select craft here, and I'm just going to select submit all and start crafting. You'll need 25 honeys for this, and it takes 2 hours to craft. So I'm not going to wait until that's done crafting, but you know where to craft it. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.